Hey there, it's Elaina Love. I'm coming to you today to talk to you a little bit about our Ketogenic Love Camp program that starts very soon. What makes us different than a lot of the other ketogenic programs out there, such as Dr. Mercola or Mark Sisson or some of the other primal and keto programs that are being promoted on podcasts and in different books? Our approach to ketogenic, as you know, or maybe you don't, is plant-based. So we're teaching you how to do a ketogenic program using plants for fuel. We do have an opportunity for you to add animal products if you want to in your program, but that's not our main focus. What we believe is that people, if you are already eating organic salmon from Alaska, wild caught, or you're eating, super healthy ranch eggs that are, pastured eggs that are from your neighbor or from someone that you know, that you already know how to do that and how to add that in. So that's not really our focus, but it's not even on a daily basis. It's as needed. So that's a small amount of what we teach. What we're really teaching is how to eat plant-based fats, plant-based food for fuel, and how to avoid things like monounsaturated fats, like what fats not to eat. Because all plant fats are not healthy, as we know. Like if you're eating processed soybean oil, that's not good. So there's other things that we cover that like what to avoid, but really we're covering what to eat and how to make these amazing plant-based recipes, how to keep your carbohydrates low, your fat high, and your protein at a minimum. So basically the old school thinking of ketogenic or of this high protein diet, even for people like Dr. Mercola, it's not what they're teaching anymore. It's more of a moderate protein because protein ends up turning to sugar in the body in high amounts. Anybody that's worked with diabetic knows that when they eat a hamburger, their blood sugar levels go up. So we're not teaching animal products in our program. We're leaving an opening if you want to add a minimal amount of that, great, but that's not our focus at all in this program. It's how to eat amazing, super beautiful, delicious recipes that are all plant-based. And we have lots of sauces and salads and salad dressings and cooked things and all kinds of different varieties of a completely 100% grain-free bread that you can use as a staple, how to use coconut tortillas in your meals, how to just do a lot of how to eat a variety of foods and what we've learned along the way. So as you all know, I've been doing this now for 21 years. I've been doing a pretty much ketogenic plant-based program because when I got into it years ago, I was actually following a ketogenic program, even though it wasn't called ketogenic. It was Dr. Cousin's Rainbow Green Live Cuisine, which is, if you look at it, really high in nuts and seeds and plant-based fats and low in carbohydrates. So we've just taken that and run with it and made it even more gourmet and more fun and more interesting and more doable on a daily basis. We help you create staples that you can have in your life every day. We help you learn how to feed your family, not just you, how to make this fun for everybody. So really, this is just a fun program. We also teach you things like how to tap if you're stuck. Like I just can't stop eating at night or I can't stop doing these things that are sabotaging me. How to do emotional freedom technique with that. Other things like meditation. Like it's a really well-rounded program, not just food related, but the whole mind, body, spirit. Because that's what we believe and that's what we do. Even talking about things like how to use a sauna, how to sweat, how to make sure you're getting your fitness in. It's not, you can't ever just focus on one thing and be successful, and we've all learned that. And also, we're not perfect either. Like, I'm not claiming that I'm perfect and that I've 100% figured this out as far as like doing everything perfectly every day. Nobody that I've ever heard that's worth listening to says that they're 100% perfect because it doesn't even exist in this world. So we're here to let you know that whatever you're doing, you're already doing it right, and you just need to add in more good stuff. And we're going to teach you how to do that from what we've learned. Lots of talk about medicinal plants, medicinal mushrooms, healing supplements, because you do need to add supplements into your diet as well. You can't just trust that the soil your food is grown in is enough anymore. I'm onto some really fun new things that I'm doing on a regular basis that have increased my energy levels and my mood like crazy. I'll teach you how I'm getting through menopause. So there's a lot of things to learn from us in this program, and I really hope you join us. So join us for our next Love Camp. See you there.